How to remove text on your image? First we have to understand content aware. Like a small dot, we need small additional spaces around the dot. Now we can go edit and fill content aware. But here we cannot achieve the result with this technique. So what I do now, take magic wand and select entire white color. After that take rectangle monkey tool, divide the selection only the text area. After that go to select menu, modify and expand. Here expand the selection around 5 to 8 pixel. Now go to edit menu, fill content aware. So you can achieve your result. Still if you want any small patchwork, go and take healing brush tool, press Alt key and take source, then slowly patch the area. This is how simply you can remove the text on your image. First I have separate images. Then select the tattoo image, change the mode to multiply. I slightly transform it. Then right now hide the layer and select body pick. Go to layer adjustment, change to black and white. Also add curves to make it more brighter. Then go to file and save as your Photoshop document. Then hide the effects and turn on tattoo picture. Then go to filter, distort and displace. Then OK and open our saved document. Basically this displacement blend the previous picture shape, texture with this current picture. Then go to layer style and blending option. Here adjust the value of underlying layer. Hold Alt key and control the slider. Underlying option is the best blender. So this is how you can add your tattoo design on your body. How to match the color tone from this image? First select your art brush. Opacity should be 100%. Then create a new layer. Go to that source image, hold Alt key and pick a color. Then add the color here. Same way create a new layer, hold Alt key, pick color from this image. After that go to blend mode and subtract. Then select the image, go to color range, select your skin tone and adjust the fuzziness for smoothing. Now go to layer adjustment, pick the subtracted color. Now change the blend mode to linear touch. Then go to opacity, change the value around 30 to 35%. This is how we can bring color source from another image. How to create glow effect in Photoshop? First type your text and take one more duplicate. Give it your glow color. Now right click, rasterize the layer. Now go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur. Then OK. Then turn on your text. This time go to layer style, outer glow. Here give it glow color. Select mode to normal. Also do the small changes for size and offset. Now turn on inner shadow. Mode should be multiply. Give it same glow color. Do small changes on size, opacity and distance. So this is how you can create simply glow effects in Photoshop. How to get your work result in actual view. This is the single document. I go to window, arrange, new window to get duplicate. Now we have two windows. Then go to window, arrange, 2 up horizontal or 2 up vertical. I do some work on this window. Maybe I do color correction on eyes. Select brush and mask the area. Then switch to mask mode back. Ctrl L for levels. I do some changes on this. But how the result is in actual view? Yes, you can check it on the right side window at the same time. This is advanced feature of Photoshop. How to create glitch effect in Photoshop. This is our text. I take this layer, 2 more duplicates. Then I select the layer, go to layer style, then turn off green channel now. Then I do the same process for other layer. This time I turn off red channel. Then I move the one text towards left, one text towards right. Then select all of these layers, go to layer and merge layers. Then I take a rectangle marquee tool, select like this randomly, move it to the left. Then I do the same, this time move it to the right. Then I take this layer, one more duplicate, go to blur and motion blur. This is how we can create glitch effect in Photoshop. How to make gloss scratch effect on your body. Go to brushec.com, then search scratch brush and download it now. Then extract it. Go to Photoshop, brush setting and import brushes. Now your brushes has been loaded here, and change color here and go to brush setting, can rotate your brush, also change the size. Now apply your brush. Again go to layer mode, change to pin light. Again go to layer style and drop shadow. Change shadow color bright red and small changes on size and distance. Still you can apply your brush with the same effect. This is how we can create scratch effect in Photoshop.